Placing an order online on our website is a quick and easy process that will save you time when dropping off your device at FoxPaw. First, you will select Get Quote on the main menu at the top. Then you will select your manufacturer, device type, and model. On the device page, you will be able to select from our repair options and add accessories if you would like. Once you are done selecting options, you would select Add to Cart if you are done shopping, or Add another device if you have multiple devices to repair. When you are ready to complete your order, you can view the cart, which will give you a summary of your order. On the screen, you would enter in any passcode information if you have it, and then you would select Checkout. On the checkout screen, you will enter in your information along with payment information. Once you are done entering in your information, select Submit Order. After you've placed your order, you can drop off your device at one of our kiosks or walk-in locations. At the kiosk, you would select Place Order, then select Drop Off Existing Order. On this screen, you would enter in your order number and email address, then select Drop Off Device. Right now, the kiosk is retrieving an empty box. The door will open and you will be able to place your device inside the kiosk. After you have deposited your device in the kiosk, select Next on the screen. The drop-off process is complete, and all you have to do is wait and hear from FoxPaw that your device is repaired and ready to pick up.